In this video, I'm going to show you how to add reverb in Cakewalk next. Now to do this, first you want to select your audio where you want to add reverb. I'm going to add it onto this audio clip over here, and then you want to double click like over here, for example, on the very left of your track, and it's going to pop up this bottom bar. Now from here, you want to click on the plus button. And then in here, you can, of course, see effects. You want to go to effects. For me, I have BandLab, and then there's VST3 as well. I'm just going to use BandLab for now. And then from here, you want to go to search and type in reverb. As you can see, you can have a bunch of different ones. If you have custom ones as well, they're going to be over here. And you can, of course, click reverb here as well, up to you. And then you want to click on the reverb you want to use. I'm going to go to Univerb over here. So I'm going to double click. And then from here, you can just go and select the mix. But if I just play this audio, you'll hear the reverb has automatically been applied. Let's start recording your vocals just like this. And then, of course, So as you can hear, the reverb is on. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.